Guys, let's talk tips, let's talk air quality, and this is actually maintenance, it's not so much a tip. You want to make sure that the air quality within your car is the top notch, right? You don't want to be breathing any dirty air, contaminants. Easy way to do this, make sure your cabin air filter is in great condition. First of all, let's start with where we can find it. Now, once you're on the other side, the passenger side, we want to get into the footwell. Follow me. On this 2013 Ford Focus, we start off by taking and just pulling out these two little clips. Boops, they look like that. Once we do that, this little cover comes off. Goodbye. Cabin air filter will actually be in here. So here you can see you have one little hex screw that we got to take off. All right, here we're going to use the AT15 hex. It looks like that, little guy. Get him on that screw. And there really shouldn't be any resistance. He's about hand tight. Make sure you don't lose him once you pop him out like I just did. Didn't lose him too far. There he is. Alright, great. Now with this guy out, there's these two tabs right here. If I press them in, I can slide this cover down and out. And this exposes where the filter is. To the right here. I'm going to just take and start to pull out. It's not exactly going to be a very open area, so you may have to wrestle a little bit. Okay, old filter, new filter. I think you see the difference, right? If this is what we're breathing, I'd rather be breathing it through this than that. Now, for how to put it in, let's get rid of that old one. If you look at a new filter, you're going to see a little flow arrow. You want this pointing towards the cabin. So when we install it, what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to kind of scrunch it together like this because it's going to be easier to squeeze it in there. I don't know if you remember, it's tight. And then afterwards, also make sure that this side is going to be pointing forward, that the arrow is pointing towards the cabin direction. Here we go. And we scrunch it together. Assume a really awkward position. You just want to wiggle it around also as you put it in, allowing it to unfold in there. And I can get it all the way in like that. Good. Now with it in there, we're going to apply our cover. I'm definitely counting this as yoga. Everyone tells me I should do it. So, yup. Done. Now all that's left is that we're going to put the cover on. And this guy over here, boom, you should start seeing that the two holes we have line up with these yellow tabs sticking out. Feed it onto the tabs. And remember these little guys, snap, snap, and we're all done.